In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept appointments in the hosting or website builder. This process is essential for managing bookings effectively and ensuring that you're offering the best experience to your clients. Let's dive in to make sure you're set up for success. First, you'll need to be logged into your Hostinger account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard, where you can see an overview of your website projects. If you haven't visited your dashboard in a while, take a moment to ensure all your projects are up to date. This is important, as outdated settings can sometimes lead to glitches or scheduling issues. From the dashboard, locate and select the website where you've integrated your booking system. Clicking on it will take you to the website editor, where you can manage various aspects of your site, including appointments. On the left-hand side, you will find a menu with several options. Select the one labeled Appointments or something similar. This is your gateway to managing all bookings related to your website. Once you're in the Appointments section, you should see a list of all the upcoming bookings. Each entry will typically include the client's name, appointment time, date, and the service they are interested in. It's crucial to review this list regularly to keep track of upcoming commitments and plan accordingly. When you want to accept an appointment, click on the appointment entry that you wish to confirm. A detailed page should appear, presenting more specifics about the appointment. This page may include options to contact the client or update the appointment status. Take a moment to double-check the details to ensure everything is in order, such as verifying your availability to prevent double booking. To formally accept the appointment, simply click the Accept button or option that should be clearly visible on this page. This action not only confirms the booking but also typically sends a notification or email confirmation to your client, letting them know that their appointment has been approved. It's a good idea to check your settings to ensure that these notifications are enabled, so your clients are kept in the loop. It's also wise to consider any additional features that Hostinger offers in this area, such as integrating a calendar application or setting up automated reminders. These can help improve the efficiency of your operation and enhance client satisfaction. Before you wrap up, revisit the Appointments dashboard and take a few moments to see how your newly accepted booking appears. This will reinforce your understanding of the workflow and help you identify any potential improvements you could make to the process. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to accept appointments in the Hostinger website builder, ensuring a smooth and professional booking experience for both you and your clients. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.